What's up YouTube? I'm John Wheels, and today we're going to be restoring the old rusty wheels that originally came with my go-kart and making them nice again so we can put some fresh tires on. Alright, so what we have here is our stock wheel and tire. I just put some cheap wheels and tires on the front for a temporary purpose, but now we're going to be reusing these stock wheels because they're stronger and they are wider. So what we'll do is break the second bead off. We already got the first one off just with some flathead screwdrivers, and I got a bucket of soapy water right here. So I'm going to put you on the time lapse and let's get started. Alright, so now we have both of our wheels. I'd already got the tire off of this one, but basically this bearing, get not in the shadow, this bearing here is stuck. So I'm going to shoot it with some PB Blaster and see if we can loosen it up. Alright, so what I did is I took this little seal off, so then I was able to get some pliers right here and turn it, sprayed a bunch of PB Blaster in there, and now the bearing can move. It's kind of crunchy, so we can keep working on it. I'm gonna go throw it on the cart with a bucket underneath so I can spin it and just get the bearing moving. Alright, so now I have this grease. It's meant for RC car gears, but it's like a thicker grease. That's what was in here, so I'm just gonna squeeze some into those bearings. Perfect. Now we'll put the seal back on, and this bearing is moving a lot better again. I got it unstuck and it spins pretty well. Alright, so now we're going to be starting with the dry wheel, and we're going to be sanding it down just with some sandpaper, getting it ready for paint, and I'm just going to paint these a nice gloss white. Alright, so I'm not going to give a hint as to what size tires I have now. That will be for the next video, but I painted the wheels white. They're muddy right now, but it's just a gloss white. Looks pretty good, and Thanks for watching. Remember to like and subscribe, and leave a comment below to tell me what you thought.